Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Toyota Highlander V6. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical surprises. Next, safely lift your vehicle using a reliable jack and secure it with two sturdy jack stands. This provides ample working space underneath. Finally, locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the lower side of the engine, often near the transmission bell housing. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old starter. You will typically find two electrical connections, a small wire for the solenoid and a larger battery cable. Carefully remove both of these, ensuring no wires touch any metal surfaces. Next, using the appropriate size wrench, loosen and remove the two mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block. These bolts can sometimes be a bit tight, so a breaker bar might be helpful. Make sure all wires are completely clear before proceeding. With the bolts removed, carefully maneuver the old starter out of its position. It might be a bit heavy and awkward, so take your time. Once the old unit is out, take your new starter and carefully position it into the same spot. Align the two mounting holes perfectly with those on the engine block. Then, reinsert and securely tighten the two mounting bolts. It's important to tighten these to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 30 foot-pounds, for a secure fit. For our final steps, reconnect the electrical wires to your new starter. Attach the large battery cable first, followed by the smaller solenoid wire, ensuring both connections are tight and secure. Next, reattach the negative battery terminal to your battery, restoring power to the vehicle. Finally, get into your Highlander and turn the key to start the engine. Listen for that familiar crank and roar. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your starter. Congratulations on a job well done.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.